I am in Jacksonville, Florida, and as I was passing through, a few problems came up with the truck. So I partnered with Mavis Tire and Brakes in Jacksonville, Florida, right off of Beach Boulevard. It is so hot in Florida. Looking for wonderful places to camp? Then use LIFE Campgrounds. Find information, reviews, tips and tricks, and more. And unlock even more features with an LIFE Pro subscription by scanning the QR code on the screen or by clicking the link in the description box of this video. Plus, save 25% off your first year subscription and lock your rate. Thank you so much, LIFE Campgrounds, for sponsoring this video. I swear the traffic never stops here. Do not neglect your brakes. Your brakes are extremely important. Yes, you may have all of the horsepower in the world, but if you can't stop it, it can become a disastrous situation fast. For the brakes, we went with Wagner Rotors, and they look amazing, and Power Stop brake pads. I chose these two because I know they're good quality, they have great reviews, and I just don't trust my truck to just anything. I was in Florida filming some parks, and I noticed that my brakes were starting to shake my truck violently.
I do them so much, it's just, you know.
Good at what you do. I'm only going to be showing one side, but he replaced both sides. Chris and Jimmy worked really well together as they were able to pull these parts off. You can see here that this rotor has definitely seen better days. Here is the new rotor that is going on the truck. I just love how it has black accents.
Whoever thought of that.
Thank you. A little bit of brake cleaner, and he even lubes all the brake hardware. They really do go the extra mile here. Now it is time to get the mounting hardware back on, and you can see he's using the brand new Power Stop brake hardware. And this hardware came with the brake pads. Just look how nice this Power Stop brake pad looks. And reinstalling the brake caliper completes this brake job. You can see on my rim that there is so much brake dust from the previous brake pads.
This is the parking brake surface, and this is your brake pad and caliper surface. This cable runs to this lever right here. On the inside of your brake housing back here, you have shoes that are on this lever. Whenever you pull your parking brake, it kicks this lever back, shoves those pads against the inside of the rotor hat. And that's how your parking brake works.
Now we're gonna watch Chris reinstall this tire and complete this job. And it turns out that my brake rotors were warped, and that was causing the shuddering. And there she is, brand new brakes. The RV life can be amazing, but issues come up all the time. It is not a question of if, it's a question of when. And if you need repairs done, check out Mavis Tire and Brakes. Quick shout out to Jimmy and Chris for all the hard work they did on this truck. Thank you so much for partnering with the channel. I do appreciate it. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. And if you got any value out of it, please smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Chris from Chris Travels. Hope to see you on the road.